This demonstration we're going to look at configuring notifications in Operations Manager. These are used to alert administrators, users or groups of users to an event, issue or state change of a monitored object. And there's a few things that we have to do. We have to enable our notification. We have to specify notification channels, notification subscribers and subscriptions, and runners profiles as well. So the first thing we're going to do here is set up a notification channel. So if we just come across notifications, go to channels, what we'll do here is select new. And as you can see here, we've got 4 possible channels. We've got email, we've got instant messaging, SMS, or run a command. So let's go with email. Then what we're going to do here is we'll just stick it as SMTP channel, as a channel name. We'll leave the description as a default. We'll then come to settings. So what we need to do here is we just need to specify our SMTP servers and our return address. So we'll click add at this point here. And in the case of my SMTP server, it's smtp.adatum.com. We're going to go with port 25. We're going to leave the anonymous authentication, but we could go with Windows Integrated and select OK. We'll then, for the return address, just specify SC alerts and then at adatum.com. Now we've done all of that, the next thing we need to do here is just specify our format, and all this is doing here is just the default email notification format. So as you can see here, it's got some variables, it's filling out some information. I'm actually going to make that high, I think, and we'll leave the encoding as the default as well. Now we've created the notification channel, we just select our finish button. It's now going to go away and save the channel. Channel has been saved successfully, so we'll select close. Now we've created the channel. Next thing we need to do is we need to create a subscriber. So at this point here, we'll just click on subscribers, and the purpose of the subscriber is to begin sending notifications to the users. We have to set up our notification subscribers, and these are just lists of people that can be notified. And notification subscriber allows us to configure the delivery address and channel for notifications, and we can choose multiple channels to allow each subscriber to be notified using multiple methods. We can configure the subscriber schedule by setting a time zone, date range, days of the week, and times that the subscriber will receive the alerts. So what we'll do here, we'll select new. All we're going to do here is on the description, we'll just leave the default subscriber name. Click on our schedule, so we'll always send notifications. And then on the addresses, all we need to do here is we need to associate our addresses. So we'll select that. Then we'll fill out the address name. And we'll specify that as work email. Then we'll come to channel, so now our channel type, just click our little drop down. We're going to go for email SMTP, and then in the case of the delivery address, we just need to fill this out as well, and we'll just make this administrator at adatum.com. Now that we've done that, click on our schedule, and in the case of our schedule, we'll always send notifications. Select our finish button. Have a look at the summary, click the finish button. It's now going to save the subscriber. All saved off, so now we'll just select close. Next thing to do here is create a subscription. So we'll click on subscriptions, and the purpose of a subscription is after we've created the notification channel, notification subscribers, we then need to configure our notification subscriptions. And these just determine which alerts will be sent to which subscribers and through which channels. And by selecting all of this, we can define which alert subscription can use. So what we'll do here is select new, and in the case of this here, for the subscription name, just going to call this Windows Server 2012 notification. Select my next button. In the case of the criteria here, you can see we've got quite a few conditions we can put in place here. As you can see, lots and lots of stuff we can fill out here. So for example, raised by an instance specific group, so I could specify Windows Server 2012 computer group, raised by an instance of a specific class. Well, come up with a class there as well. All I'm going to do here is, purely because this is a little demo, I'm just going to say that we'll notify on all alerts. So we'll select next. In case of subscribers, we'll just click add. Click my search button. There's the subscription we created, so we'll just click add. Click OK. Select next. In case of my channels, again, we'll just click add. Click my search button. Click my channel. Click add. Select OK. Then we'll select our next button. And then what we've got here, we can just look at the summary, and then we will enable it, so we'll leave on the tick box and select finish, and that's now saving off my subscription. So that's saved successfully, so we'll just click our close button, and that's the end of this demonstration of configuring notifications in Operations Management Console. Thank you.